What is your role here at Hartwell Hemel Hempstead?
I'm the service manager here at Hemel.
What vehicles do you service here at Hartwell Hemel Hempstead?
We service all passenger cars here, and we also service light commercial vehicles, transits and Ford Connects, that sort of thing.
What is an EVHC?
It's an electronic video health check. So we would do an inspection of a vehicle, multi-point check, just visually, nothing more in depth than that, but then advise a customer if we identified anything else wrong, and then send a video and sort of quotes of prices if we identified anything.